All right. If you can hear me, let's do. How are we doing today, people? How are we doing? How are we doing? How are we doing? We'll start in the next 5 minutes. Let's give it my time to join in and then we start talking. Yes, we're not going to waste too much of our time and we're going to jump right into the chat. We're going right into the chat, basically dissect and break it down. Yes? Okay. Okay. All right, people. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Share my screen. All right. Can you guys hear me? How are we doing? How is everyone? How was the week? Yes. We're gonna be dissecting the chart in a minute or two. Yes, we're gonna be dissecting the chart in a minute or two. Okay. My week was good, guys. My weekend was good. I'm not gonna lie, my weekend was good. All right. All right. So if you can hear me properly, let's get into it. So today we are gonna be talking. Good morning. Oluwatosin, how are you doing? Good morning. Oh, my hands. How are we doing today? Today we are gonna make money. That is for sure. We are gonna make money today. Yes, we are gonna make money today. But I mean, let's get to it. Let's dissect the chart. Let's dissect the chart basically in a nutshell. Yes. Jeremy, if you can hear me, put 111 in the comment section first off. Put 111 in the comment section and we proceed from there. Yes. Put 111 in the comment section and we proceed from there. 111 in the comment section, guys. 111. And we go from there. If you can hear me clearly, put 111 in the comment section. 111 in the comment section, guys. If you can hear me clearly, put 111 in the comment section. 111 in the comment section. 111 in the comment section. You guys can hear me? You guys can hear me? You guys can't hear me? Hello guys, come on. Yes, you're hearing me. I'm like, am I not hearing clearly? Okay. All right. Okay, you can hear me. So let's get into it basically. How was your week? Guys, before we get into it, let's just talk for a minute. What do you want to achieve this week? Talk to me, guys. What do you want to achieve this week? For instance, I personally want to achieve a certain amount of money this week. This week I'm looking at making anywhere about $1,000, give or take. That's my goal this week. Yes, anywhere about $1,000 this week. So how do I approach it? That means today I'm looking at making $200, tomorrow $200, Wednesday $200, Thursday $200, and Friday $200. That is it. Now, every day may not come as easy as that. So in a day whereby I'm going to get $300, I will take it. You get me? But I mean, that's that for that. Tell me, what is your goal for this week? What's your profit target for the week? You have to have a profit target to trade profitably. What is your profit target for the week? 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 Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Talk to me, what is your profit target for the week? Talk to me, what's your profit targets? Kelvin, what's your profit target for the week? Talk to me, guys. Talk to me. What's our target for the week? How much do we want to make? What do we want to do? What's our target for the week? Before we get into the chat, let's just quickly talk as outside the chat. Like, what do we plan to achieve this week? What do we want to achieve this week in a nutshell? What do we want to achieve this week in a nutshell? What do we want to achieve this week in a nutshell? What do we want to achieve this week, guys? Okay, so no one has said anything. You know what? Let's jump right into the chat. Let's jump right into the chat. I can't keep waiting. Hold on. Let me share my screen. Please let me know when you can see my screen so we can properly comment, and that is that. Can everyone see my screen, please? Can everyone see my screen? Can everyone see my screen? Okay. I believe everyone can see my screen now. I believe everyone can see my screen now. Okay, all right. So let's proceed, guys. Let's proceed. So today we're gonna be dissecting the chart. We're gonna be dissecting the chart basically in a nutshell. Yes. Let's go look for money. This week. This is Monday. New week, new opportunity. Let's go look for money. Yes. Let's go look for money. Basically, let's go look for money. So now we're gonna start with gold because a trade was called on gold in the community a few minutes ago. We're running in profit as we speak. I don't know if did you take the trade? Let me know if you on that particular trade. It signified with a 111. Are you on the gold sell? Put a 111. Let me see. Are you on the gold sell? Let me know. Are you on the gold sell? Talk to me. Are you on the gold sell? All right. So let's push. Now, what's the chart basically doing? What is the chart basically saying? The chart is saying that let's do a full breakdown. A full analysis breakdown. I'm not sure. From head to bottom. All right, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let us go. So now let's do a full analysis walkthrough from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. So now looking at the higher time frame, what do we have on gold? It's clear that gold is in the bullish trend. Gold has been buying for a minute. We had this massive sell, but it seems like it's not so strong. We are basically returning back to the overall bullish trend. Basically returning back to the overall bullish trend. Now, what's the daily saying? The daily is clearly giving us a clear structure. We are bullish. Where was the last high? Where was the last low of the market? This was the last high and this was the last low. This was the last, let me see, high to low. This was the last low and this was the last high. Basically, on the daily time frame, we are on the bullish run. Yes, we're on the bullish leg. And price has pulled back into a decent level and has bought off that level. Clearly, beautiful. So now, what are we saying? The daily is bullish. What's the 4-hour saying? The 4-hour is also bullish. Yes, because if you look clearly, you can see that the 4 hours is making series of highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows. There's basically let me see. Let's put out our support and resistance level so we know where we are aiming towards and we know where we will likely exit. So this is my first significant level I'm going to pay attention to. My first significant level I'm going to pay attention to. Another level we're paying attention to. So this was the level price was on last week. I think 2 weeks ago or so, and I said if price should clear this level, guys, we are looking for a buy. And apparently price has cleared it. So we are actually looking for a buy, people. We are looking for a buy. Yes. But I believe the trade that was come today was a sell to buy. Yes, because we need to sell into a particular level before we buy. We need to sell into a particular level before we do what? Before we buy. So now that's the level we're looking at there. Looking at for at that point. Let me see. What level should we pay attention to? Are we going to pay attention to? Yes, I believe we have this level up here. Price basically played around this level here. We have this level here. Yes, that level. Beautiful. Now, beautiful. Now, let's go to the daily. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. To the 1 hour time frame. What do we have? 1 hour structure is saying what? It's saying that we are bullish. Yes, I will be my TP would technically be, let me see, at technically this level. Technically be at this level here. This is what I'll be targeting as one of my major TP first. But once price gets here, we would most definitely be looking at what? We're looking at a reaction. Once price gets to this point, we should most likely be looking at a reaction. Yes, a reaction. This point, guys. So this will be my TP1, and my TP2 will be this level here. Please give me 1 second, please. 1 second. So my first TP would be at the green level, and my second TP would be at the resistance zone. Yes, first TP at the green level, second TP at the resistance zone, and that is basically what I am looking out for. First TP at this level and second TP at the resistance zone. That's basically what I am looking out for in a nutshell. Yes, in a nutshell. Let's see. Now, how do we get into this trade? Okay, let's go on the 1 hour. Let's see what 1 hour is doing. So, what we are currently, I'm expecting price to come to this level. So, it's obviously going to be a sell to buy. Like, so David already called out the trade. So, we'll most likely sell into this point, and then we buy from here. This is basically what I'm expecting. This is what I personally am expecting. Let me see. Let's connect the trend line to see what price is saying. Trend line. Okay. This is what price is saying. If you connect the trend line along below, the price is going to come into somewhere here and then do its thing. I mean, let's just see. Let's just see, guys. Let's just see. Let us just see. Let us just see. Let us just see. So David, Coach David is pulling my legs. Yeah. Okay. All right. Please let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. So this is basically what I'm expecting price to do. Price should drop into this level. Yes, and probably expect a buy from here. Now, there are two things I'm expecting. If price should fail to hold from this point, my next level would be the next level I'm looking to take a buy from would be around here. This would be the next level I'm looking to take a buy from. Somewhere here. Yes, perfect. Here. So it will either be price buys from here or comes to this level, but it's going to be one of both. That's one of the both of them. Either way, we are going to just be patient with price and let price do its thing. On the 15 minutes time frame, I believe we are already selling. We are already selling on the 15 minutes time frame. We are already selling on the 15 minutes time frame. See? Yes, we are already selling on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so that should be that or that. For this bad boy, that is that basically. So gold, if we're going to go to sell, it's going to be a sell to buy, in a nutshell. I believe we are all currently on the sell trade. We're all currently on the sell trade. So we're selling from this particular level because we've had a what? We've had a clear shift in structure. You can see that price pushed up, lower, a shift in structure, and we most likely would drop to this level and then we buy. Just aligning with what? Aligning with basically what we already expect. Plus, there are some levels of liquidity that price is aiming at and is going to clear. So basically, we're expecting price to come to those levels. Yes, we're expecting price to come to those levels in a nutshell. So this trade would be all right. Okay, so yes, this is it. Sell there, CP just above here. Whichever way you want to do it. The CP could be here. S, yeah, SL could be there, sorry, TV could be here. 1 is to 3.5, give or take. That is a decent arrow. 1 to 3.2, 3.3, that's a decent arrow. So for every $10 you're risking, you're making about $32 in return. Yes, we know this is gold currently. Gold is still currently trading on 100 contract price, basically. Yes. So you automatically know that for every 0.01 you are placing, you're indirectly opening a 0.1. So risk wisely, if you're going to sell wisely, you understand? So basically, I believe your lowest risk on this trade should be about $10 or so. That should be like the lowest risk you take on this trade, $10 or so. If you should be making as high as $60, $50, $60. Yes, so let's see it play out. Basically, they sell into this level and then we buy out of here. They sell into this level and then we buy out of here. Yes, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes in a nutshell. That's my projection on gold. That's basically it. If you're not so comfortable with the sell, you can wait for the buy. Once the buy setup is properly ready, then you would get a notification on the Telegram platform and you can take a buy trade from there. Yes. So that's my analysis on gold first. Now let's move on to another pair, GBP JPY. GBP JPY. What are we seeing there? Okay, let's check GU. Oh, sorry, the GBP JPY. What is GU saying? GU has been selling clean, I believe. Let me see. Let's go to the weekly. What the last week say on GU. What did last week say on GU? Last week was very, very, very bearish. Last week was very bearish. I believe 3 weeks ago, yes. Let me see. 3 weeks ago, exactly 3 weeks ago, yes. 3 weeks from now, yes. I was in market was somewhere around here. And I remember when we did analysis that day, we said that market was going to sell. We said price will most likely sell before we buy. I remember saying that clearly. Price will most likely sell before we buy. I don't know how many of you went ahead to start buying from this point. I'm very sorry for your accounts, but I'm very sure you would have taken some decent SL, some decent losses for no reason. But I'm very sure that a sell was called out and we said what price was going to sell. Yes, price was going to sell. Price was going to sell, and it's been massive. If you capitalize off the trade back then when it was called, you would be in massive profit. The sell position was called. Until this day, it's still running in profit, in massive profit. But I mean, let's look for a new position. Let's look for how to get into the market today and let's capitalize on. So first off, for the weekly time frame, we are clearly bearish. We are clearly bearish. Price cleared this liquidity up here, and it has been selling ever since. Let's go to the daily time frame. So what the daily is saying. The daily printing out something similar. We are bearish, basically. We are bearish. Price has tapped into this daily demand zone. Daily demand zone, and is reacting off it. The only thing I'll be looking to, let me see, buy. I may still buy actually because the daily is bullish. If you look at structure, the daily is bullish, but the weekly candles are saying we are still selling. Yes, so daily is bullish, weekly is saying we are still selling. But let's watch what the 4 hour saying. The 4 hour is still bearish. The 4 hour is still bearish. It's still very much bearish. High, yes, we are still very much bearish. Yes, you can look, you can see I did what high, low, and low. We are still very much bearish. At least to create a significant structure out, GU is still very much bearish, and it's unwise to be looking for a buy at this moment because it's not yet properly formed. It is still very early to look for a buy. It's very early to look for a buy. But are we following? Let me know. Are we following? Are we together, guys? Are we together? Are we following, guys? Are we following? Are we following? Are we following? Are we following? Can everyone hear me? Is everyone seeing? Can everyone see my screen? Let me know. Let me know, guys. Can everyone see my screen? Can everyone see my screen? Let me know. 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 Okay. Okay. All right. Beautiful. 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 Everyone can see my screen. Okay. Now let's see what GU is saying. Okay. So now we are pushing upwards. Just using pure price chart patterns. This is a triangle pattern. Yes, and depending on where it breaks out to, it can mean different things. Right now, it most likely means a continuation to the upside. Yes, right now, if it breaks out to the upside, it's most likely saying we are still buying. So how do I capitalize off this trade? How do I capitalize off this trade? I basically wait for this. When I get this trend line broken properly and this resistance level cleared out properly, then I will look for a buy. What I'm looking out for on GU is this. Either a retest to this point again, then a breakout, but I have to come back and sit here before I can look for a buy to the upside. If this doesn't happen, then I'll most likely sit on my hands. Yes, for GU. But this is basically my projection on GU for now. The projection on GU for now. This is most likely what I'm going to do for now on GU. Yes. What I'm going to do for now on GU. So that's that for GU. We are still going to be patient. Last week, all the trades that were called smashed CP. I believe on Monday last week, we called gold, 2 sell position on gold, and those 2 played out massively, like massively. Yes. So when I say we are expecting this to happen on GU, let's stay close to the charts. Yes, stay close to the charts. Stay close to the charts, basically. Yes, So if this plays out, you'll be getting a signal from me, basically a trade call saying buy. And if we break below this level, we may most likely be looking for a sell scenario. But up until then, let's be patient and let's watch out for price. Yes. Now let's go on BTC. Should we do BTC today, guys? Talk to me. Should we do BTC? Can we handle BTC and gold at the same time? Oh, nice one, nice one. Nice one, nice one, nice one. I like this. I like this. Movie Cut says I was on it last week and it was a massive win. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Don't take the trade call out here for joke. Yes, if you get a signal, if you get a trade call, take it confidently. Take it confidently. If you're on the Telegram community, and you get a trade call, take it confidently. Take it confidently, basically. Last week, gold paid us last week. If you made money off gold last week, drop 100 in the comment section. If you made money off gold last week, drop 100 in the comment section. Drop 100 in the comment section. Let me know. 100. If you made money off gold last week, I made money off gold. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop 100. I made money off gold last week. If you made money off gold, last week, this last week trade. Yes, definitely. Definitely. If Mr. David called it, definitely. I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. This is some energy. This is some energy. Like if you're sleeping on the trades, I'm really sorry for you. I'm really sorry for you. Come on. I'm really sorry for you. I am really sorry for you. Yes, I'm really sorry for you. Mr. David called out a trade. Yes, hold on to the trade. As long as he has not said close out or take your profits, hold on to the trade. And most of the signals that was shared last week on gold was from Mr. David. And you guys saw how much money we made last week on gold. So come on, guys. Come on, guys. Let's stay committed to it. Let's stay committed to it. Yes. Let's not shy away from the world that we are drinking from. Let's not shy away from the world we are drinking from. So basically, that's that for that on GU. On GU, let's go on BTC and see what BTC is saying to us. Let's see what BTC is saying. You guys are wondering why we are dwelling on volatile territory today. Guys, let's make money. Let's make money. BTC looks like he wants to sell. It's selling basically. Let me see. Did we clear below this level? Okay. I think I'm seeing a sell on BTC. I think I'm seeing a sell on BTC. Let's see. What's the daily saying? Daily on BTC is in some sort of range. The 4 hours is where? What's position of the 4 hours time frame? Okay, 4 hours time frame. We had a clear double top. 1, 2. Neckline was broken. Neckline was broken, which was this level here. And price went back into the neckline after I broke it. So now this is what I'm going to do for BTC. I already know I'm going to sell. I am going to sell BTC if my expectations are met, basically, which is what? As long as price comes back and closes below this level, I'm going to sell BTC. Price has cleared out all of the liquidity below here. If it wants to buy, it's going to keep pushing up. And if we go as far as clearing this high here, let me see. Then British has gone back into a massive range. The range that has been for a while now. That's this level here. You can see it has been on this range for a while. Yes. So if BTC comes back and clears above this level, we're going back into this range. Right now, it has gone back into the range. The only time I'll be looking to sell BTC, which is when you may see me call out a trade on BTC, is when we come back and close below this level. With a proper candle, if this happens, guys, just stay close to the chart. I am looking to shoot BTC all the way down. At least 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, basically. 1 is to 3, somewhere around here. 1 is to 3, yes. So this is basically what I'll be expecting on BTC. That is only if, what's it called? Only if we come and close below. Only if we come and close below. That is the only time I will be looking to sell BTC this week. But until then, I'm going to sit on my hands, guys. I'm going to sit on my hands. Until then, let's see what EuroJPY is saying. Is there any good setup for us on EuroJPY? Is there any good setup for us on EuroJPY? Do we have any good setup on EuroJPY? EuroJPY, no, nothing for now. Nothing for now. Let me see Euro card. You know what? Let me. I've analyzed 3 pairs that I have my watch or my basically my eye on as GU, gold, and BTC. You know what? You guys should tell me what pair do you want me to take a trade on? What pair do you want us to analyze? Someone should suggest a pair for us to analyze, and let's see what we can do. What pair do you want us to analyze? Movie has a question. He said one last question. Oh, you need a risk management plan for a real account. Okay. It's basically on the Telegram platform. I would drop it. You know what? Let me drop it now on this call. Just give me a minute. While I'm doing that, someone should let me know what pair do you want us to analyze. Someone should let me know, and I will do that basically. What pair do you want us to analyze? And I'll do that basically. What pair do you want us to analyze? Oh, gold is feeding us, guys. Guys, gold is giving us a lot of money. We are currently Mr. David calls it money for diesel. We are currently up $400 on gold. You guys can you see my screen? All right, beautiful. See my screen. We are currently up $400 on gold. Can you guys see my screen? Nice. Currently up $400 on gold. Guys, we are making money. Hold on, I want to drop something so that you guys can. Okay, someone said Euro USD. Okay, beautiful. What other suggestion? Euro USD, okay. That's the only one I've gotten so far. Is that the only pair you guys want us to touch on? Hold on, guys. Euro USD. Only Euro USD. Okay, you know what? Let's get to Euro USD then. Euro USD. What is it saying on Euro USD? What is it saying on Euro USD? So we had a trade on Euro USD last week or so. When was this? It was probably called last week or 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, give or take. Just kissed the SL and it pushed up. Can it get any worse than that? I believe we experienced that last week or so on a particular pair. We hit our SL and he played that instantly. It was so painful, guys. But I mean, this is bygone. Let's look at what we have for today. The weekly time frame, what is Euro USD saying? Remember I said that Euro USD and GPUSD move similarly. So if GPUSD we're looking for a buy scenario, we're obviously looking for the same thing on Euro USD. I mean, let's break it down so you guys can see it all together. So for Euro USD, it's clear that we were in this funny range for a while, but price broke out, came back into the level, although we are sitting on a support, a resistance zone support, which is a good confirmation. Now price has sat down there properly, Once I sat down there properly and what we are looking to buy from here. But now, how do we capitalize on the setup? How do we scale and how do we look for a position? First off, is I like to use trend line. Do we have a higher time frame trend line connecting the outermost parts together? If we do, trust me, guys, we are in a good trend. Beautiful, beautiful. We have something good here. I like what I'm seeing on Euro USD. I love what I'm seeing actually in Euro USD. This is the first thing I need to see. We've made two touches of the trend line on the daily time frame. Now let's look out for the third touch on the 4 hours time frame. And if you know anything about trend line, the third touch means a lot. Means a lot basically. Most of our students basically already know what it means. And third touch means like a confirmation for everyone to sell, or buy. Just give you guys the cheat code. So you do with it what you may. I just gave you guys the cheat code. So now I'm going to be expecting the same thing on Euro USD. Until this level gets broken out, I am not going to buy. I'm looking out for a buy, basically. Don't get me wrong. I'm buying Euro USD. I'm not selling. I am not selling. I am buying Euro USD. Structure-wise, Euro USD is bullish. Structure-wise, you are bullish. So until this happens, basically, until this happens on Euro USD, until we have this, probably a break and a retest. I'll most likely not buy Euro USD. See what I'm looking at for Euro USD. So until this happens, I would sit on my hands diligently. Until this happens, I will sit on my hands diligently on Euro USD. Yes. Every other trade setup will be called along the way. I believe there are some setups that were shared last week. They are still playing somewhat in between entry and SL. For instance, let me see. For instance, AUD was called last week. It was running on massive profits over the night, but right now it has reversed, which is okay. I believe it's going to go back in profit and we are all going to make money off it. But I mean, so far so good. If you've gotten the parameters from the setups that were dropped, let me know. Yes, let me know. So our eyes basically on gold, BTC, GU, and EU. Gold, BTC, GU, and EU. Yes, gold, BTC, GU, and EU. Those are basically what our attention is on. Yes, so that should be all for me today from the chat, basically. Yes, that should be all for me today from the chat. Any question from anyone before we call it today? Let me quickly drop the risk parameter for everyone on the Telegram platform. Any question from anyone, please, before we call it a day? Okay, no question from anyone. Okay, so since there's no question from anybody, I believe we are done for today. You guys just stay very close to the chat. If you are not on the Telegram community, go search. Okay, you know what? Let me just quickly drop the link on the platform so you can join the Telegram community right now and we all can make money together. If you are not on the Telegram community just yet, let me drop the link. Hold on, give me a minute, guys. Give me a minute. Give me 2 minutes. Give me a minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Guys, please give me 1 minute, okay? All right. So if you're not in the Telegram community, please go ahead and join. Go ahead and join. The link has been shared on the comment section now. Go ahead, join, and basically let's make money together. Let's make money together. Yes? Let us make money together. But that should be all for me basically for today. Every other parameters or every other setup will be shared on Telegram community moving forward. Oh, one disclaimer: the March mentorship batch has started. Registration is open. If you want to partake in the online or physical mentorship program, send me a text on WhatsApp or comments or text admin on Telegram. You will be connected to a support team member that will definitely help you out, and you can secure a slot for March mentorship batch for training. And if you want to join March Signal Room, the slot is also open. That goes for $50, as cheap as $50. You can make so much money. I mean, we are making money day in, day out on the free community. Like, there is literally, you're not paying for anything and you're making so much money. Imagine when there is so much attention on you. Like, you're in a community whereby everybody is money minded and you're so focused. Like, you're locked in basically, guys. You're locked in basically. You know that obviously you're going to make so much more money, so much more money. Yes. So if you are interested in registration for the mentorship batch for March, the month of March, text admin on Telegram or send me a text personally, if you can, or reach out to us via Instagram or whatever platform available to you. And if you want to register for the Signal Room for the month of March, do the same thing. And I believe we're all going to make a lot of money this month. I mean, we've made enough money. We've made good money this month of February. We've made good money this month of February. I can say that for a fact. Good money this month of February. Since the month of January, we've been making money consistently. This is February, and on March we're going to take it to a whole new level. Yes. So let's leave all the talks. They say show walk-ins. Yes. Let's get into the chat this week. Let's show walk-ins and let's leave cho for people who don't really know what they're doing. Yes. Let's leave cho for people who don't really know what they are doing. So that should be all for me this week. That should be all for me today. I will be staying close to my chart so you guys can basically capitalize off the market, and stay blessed, stay happy, people. See you all at the top, and peace out, man. Peace out. Bye, guys.